Okay, class, now that we've got the data cleaned up a little bit, I want to show you how to create two charts. The first chart I want to show you how to create is just a chart over the first 120 minutes of the time period for the fluid flow inlet. So we're going to check a scatter plot with just lines, not lines and data. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to wait for the chart to come up and select the data that we want to use instead of the automated series that they'll try to throw up at you. So I'll wait just a minute and let that come up. So I'm going to hit select data by right clicking the chart. It's got a blank series. I'm going to get rid of that and then add the series that I want. So I'm going to hit the X series values. I'll need to come back to the top of the sheet and I'm going to select cell A1 down to cell A25, which is the first 120 minutes. And then I'll click that for OK. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the Y series values. I'll come and select series C1 down to C25, which is the corresponding volumetric flow rate. I'll hit OK. And what I want to do is just look at this and see if the frequency and the value of the signal strength is okay. So I'm going to come in here, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to move the chart into a chart by itself. I'm going to call this chart 2 for just a second because I've already got something saved as chart 1, and it should come up with its own value of the chart. I'll see what chart 1 is. Here's one that I've already made, so we can come in here and we can check and see that I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 values of oscillation over this time. Now notice that there is some lack of definition here, that it doesn't go all the way to 7,000. It doesn't go all the way down to 5,000 cubic meters per minute. And folks, this is just called signal attenuation. It's no different than your voice. As the pressure wave travels a long distance, it'll start to weaken. So that's what we're seeing here. I also want to see if you can go ahead and chart this series over the full 720 minutes and put this chart name in and use these axis values if you can. Thank you.